You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my second part of my spring clean. Today I'm going to be concentrating on my kitchen. Honestly, the last few weeks have been hectic. My grandchildren have all been poorly and then it was Easter, so my kitchen is really in need of a good clean. Let me know in the comments down below if you're enjoying this and if you want to see more like this, and because honestly I have a whole load to do in my house at the minute. But let me know in the comments if you want to see more. Also, don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and that will tell you when I next upload. But for now, let's get straight into it.
And all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'll be...
So after I've done all the dishes, I am starting to clean my sink. Please, if anyone's got any advice at all, I've got a semi-matte sink and I find it really difficult to try and keep it shiny. Tried loads of different products. At the minute I'm using the Viacal, which is really good for chrome. If you saw my last video, which was cleaning my bathroom, I used this in there. I did find it really strong. However, it's such a good product. It really does get lime scale off and just makes everything so clean.
I don't need your hang-arounds, so I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need, if I might say. You light up my day so bright, you show me your way, and I'm no match for you, no, I'm no match for you.
I might get a few questions in the comments about what sort of products I'm using. So in my little Fabulosa bottle, I have actual product that I'm using is Fabulosa. It's called Fantabulosa, and my god, I absolutely love it. It makes my kitchen smell amazing. Highly recommend it. Gets everything really clean and disinfects at the same time. So we all know how great the pink stuff is. I used it on my toaster. For some reason, I've lost the footage here, but I used it to get all like the burnt gritty bits off the top and it came out amazing. This is what it looked like, and as per usual, I was so ecstatic about how good the pink stuff works. Honestly, cannot recommend that stuff enough. You have to go out and buy it. and it's literally £1 for a big tub.
When I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you when you got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know we got this.
So it's time to do my cooker, and of course I'm using the pink stuff, although I don't always use this. I only use it if my cooker hasn't had a wipe down for a few days and there's quite a few nitty gritty bits on it that I need to get off, or I might use the Sif cream, which is also really good, but today it was in need of pink stuff. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I absolutely shout about this stuff all the time. I really love it. There's no funny smell to it at all. There are some abrasive bits in this pink stuff, but it has never scratched my cooker and it always comes up shiny and clean, and I love it. So I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then come back to it a bit later on just to clean the rest of the residue up and then get on with the rest of the kitchen.
Me, know how it feels like, intoxicated me, know how it feels like, I want to let you see, so how it feels like, destroy all chains on me, I know it feels like, I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night, I know it feels like, I know it feels like, I'm in love. I know it feels like, I know it feels like I'm in love. I hope I never lose this feeling. It never goes away. And when we're dancing on the ceiling, you know you're killing my pain. I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night. I wanna know who you really are, baby, come through the light. I know it feels like, I'm in love. I know it feels like, I know it feels like I'm in love.
So the last thing I need to do is my floors, and yes, I'm using a broom. My Hoover has finally given up the ghost. It's basically the long pole, the extension part just won't work properly with my Hoover. But yeah, I'm gonna sweep it all up and then I'll hoover it at the end, and it's just easier that way. Otherwise I have to get on my hands and knees, so yeah, I find it easier this way. Yeah, so this is the last thing I need to do, is sweep the floors and mop the floors. And by the way, my mop is amazing, absolutely love it. Got the spin mop, but it's the newest version of the spin mop. You don't have to tread on a pedal or anything like that, you just pump it down on the actual handle itself, and I just find that so much easier, so highly recommend that. So I'm going to leave the video here now, guys, and I will see you all soon for my next video. Don't forget, if you did like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, then come join the little family by hitting that little red button and the notification bell, and that will tell you when I next upload. And I will see you all soon for the next video. Let me know in the comments if you like these type of videos and you want to see more, or let me know in the comments any type of videos that you would like to see. And I'll see you all soon for the next one. Bye guys.
And no one can hear me, and you let me down, so I can call you out on the hill. Babe, I Please don't hurt my feelings.